Can YouTube TV be used on multiple TVs? Yes, YouTube TV can be used on multiple TVs simultaneously. Here's how you can manage and utilize YouTube TV across multiple devices, including TVs. Step number 1. Understand simultaneous streams. YouTube TV allows you to stream on up to 3 devices simultaneously. This means you can watch YouTube TV on 3 different TVs at the same time without any additional costs. Step number 2, use on various devices. YouTube TV is compatible with a wide range of devices besides TVs, including streaming media players like Roku, Chromecast, and Apple TV, smart TVs, smartphones, tablets, and computers. Simply download the YouTube TV app on each device or access it through a supported web browser. Step number 3, log into multiple devices. Log into your YouTube TV account on each device you want to use. You can use the same account details across all devices. There's no limit to the number of devices you can be logged into. The limitation is only on how many can stream simultaneously. Step number 4, family sharing. You can also share your YouTube TV subscription with family members, up to 6 accounts including the main account holder, as part of a family group. Each family member can log in with their own Google account on any compatible device, allowing personalization and private DVR libraries. Step number 5, manage device access. You can manage and view which devices are currently using your YouTube TV account from the settings menu. This can help you keep track of who is watching and on which device, especially useful if you're nearing your stream limit. Step number 6, consider home location restrictions. While you can use YouTube TV on multiple devices, be aware that the service requires occasional verification of your home location to maintain access to local content. Ensure that the devices are generally used in your home area, as frequent use outside of this area may require a home location update. Step number 7, enjoy flexible viewing. Take advantage of YouTube TV's flexibility by enjoying your favorite shows and sports on multiple TVs around your home, or even when you're away from home, within the limits of simultaneous streams.